Sierra is proud to offer the Sierra HD and XHD line of conveyors. These conveyors have been designed to withstand the rigors of the recycling industry. These conveyors deliver the strength needed to keep any company productive. The same attention to detail that is put into every Sierra Rep 2-ram baler was used to create our conveyors. Sierra's conveyors feature a direct drive mount which reduces the number of moving parts and increases efficiency. Heavy-duty hinged belt pans, pre-installed belt, solid metal side covers, various widths available. The spring tension tail shaft assembly provides constant tension, which helps to eliminate slack, improves belt tracking, and reduces horsepower requirements. Prior to shipping, each conveyor is pre-wired, fully assembled, and tested at the factory to ensure it is fully operational and meets Sierra standards.